Good morning. Well, after 4 days of prepping the van, I'm ready to get on the road in about 3 hours. First stop will be Morongo Casino, where I'll meet up with another fellow traveler. From there, we'll be heading to Joshua Tree National Park and possibly Anzo Borrego and exploring a little more of that area. And then it's going to be off to Arizona. But first, I had to replace my cracked tires. And I learned how to remove my spare tire from the van for the first time. It was pretty interesting to watch this guy cranking down my tire. It was a good thing I decided to check it because it was fully unflated. I got 4 tires for $380, which really surprised me. What a deal. This place has been in business since the early 80s. I also got my registration in the mail early and decided to get it taken care of before getting on the road. So it was also time to get the van smogged. Now that we got new tires, we are ready to roll. Now time to get the van smogged. By the end of all this, I had spent already $900, including food. Now it was time for a little maintenance on myself. It's always a plus when you have a hairdresser in the family. Well, it's time to cover up all this gray. My sister was very excited to show off her new watch that she got for Christmas.
Here, counterclockwise, you can get, if I go slower, there's International Punta Delgada, Portugal. What time it is right now there on San Miguel.
Nice.
So that's international. Learning on this because I want to set up. John already knows how many steps, and you can pick different faces for your clock. He picks one a day to switch. He's having fun with it. You can shut it off on the side, or you can go like this for a few seconds, and it's off.
New little gadget to play with.
Toy.
Yes.
First stop is Morongo Casino, where I'll meet up with another fellow traveler. From there, we'll explore a little bit of the area and head off, probably stay a night at Joshua Tree National Park. And then we'll be making our way out to Arizona.
You get used to knowing. Just stir and see where I have the consistency.
Well, I hope you enjoy some of my sister's art that she has up on the walls. After a long day, it's time to get something to eat at our favorite little restaurant right around the corner, Cabo Grill. We're here for our favorite coconut shrimp tacos with mango salsa, but first an ice cold refreshing beer. I might be a little slow uploading videos due to the Wi-Fi out in the desert. Thank you for coming along with me on my journey. It sure means a lot to me. See you down the road.